Hindi ordinate yung pinanggalingan.
Sunrise bleeding through the glass. Got the gas tank full. We're moving fast. Leaving all the ghosts in our hometown. The only way is forward.
Gabi lang daming tao din eh. Lalo na sa Flower Festival.
Kailangan ko na yun.
Alaga eh. Pero after na wala na. Diba? Yung paghahalaman.
Huwag natin, sayang. Salamat.
Ako ba yun?
Ayun, kunin mo na yun.
Pugi pala.
Ulo na malambot. Ay, paano yung apat kami? 135.
Magkano eh, no?
Alis dito.
In the silence of the morning, the sun awakens and opens the world in colors. Each ray is a hug, a promise, and life dances to the sound of the winds. Beautiful life, how beautiful you are. into threads of hope and stars. Every day is a gift, every day is a gift.
May rice cooker, may... Ano pa si... Crossroads. Plate, oh, meron pa rin yung mga porters.
Dito nga! Pasok na yun sa... Pasok na sa natin.
Da! Success!
Ito, well.
Ay, wala siyang naman. Ayan. Trust view. Ay, say sensor. Oh, di ba? Ay, gutom ka ba na?
Ayaw pa ba natin?
Finish. Ayo.
Oh,
Ayun pala naman. Online market tayo. Hindi, nakakulit.
barefoot on the summer grass. Moonlight pours like liquid glaze. No band plays, just crickets hum.
Dapat pala sinuntis
But our bodies find the drum. Your hands trace my shadow's curve. Silver moves we don't deserve. Streetlights blinking time with us. Turning dust to golden rust. Dancing in the moonlight. No steps, just the right light. Was asleep, we're wide awake. Making dreams with every shade. Dancing in the moonlight. No steps, just the right light. Was asleep, we're wide awake.
Mga coffee naman.
Making dreams with every shade. Let the dawn wait at the gate. We got hours to levitate. Even when the music's gone, our silent dance keeps spinning on. Dancing in the moonlight.
Nightlife.
No steps, just the right
So this is the nightlife in Baguio.
Making dreams with every shade. Dancing in the moonlight. No steps, just the right light. World's asleep, we're wide awake. Making dreams with every shade. Let the dawn wait.
Tapos ako lumabang.
Ito nga candid lang. Tayo.
Point picture na.
Maganda yun. Eh kasi naman dito, maglagay ka lang ng upuan na kababe. Ay, pero totoo, ano nila yun, local wine.
yan dito.
Oo, nakita ko na nga ito sa ano. Pwede dito. Pwede dito. Pwede rin dun sa taas. Doon tayo sa taas. Baka malaglagan tayo ng ano dito. Ay, hindi dapat po. Taas yun lang.
Dahil ko yun.
Oh. Ito oh.
Ano na nga tawag dito?
Ay, alam po, ito, balikot siya po.